In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a cell to automatically change color based on its value in Google Sheets. This nifty feature comes in handy when you want to visually categorize data, making it easier to interpret at a glance. Now, let's dive right into the process. First, open up a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets and selecting an existing document or creating a new one. Once you've got your sheet open, it's time to select the range of cells you want to use for conditional formatting. For this demonstration, we'll focus on cells D3 to D8. Click and drag your cursor to highlight these cells. With our cells selected, we need to access the conditional formatting options. Start by clicking on the Format menu at the top of your screen. In the drop-down menu that appears, click on Conditional Formatting. This will open up the Conditional Formatting Rules panel on the right side of your screen. In the Conditional Formatting panel, under Format Rules, you'll see a drop-down list. Click on this drop-down, and from the options, select Greater Than. This allows us to specify a condition for formatting. You'll be prompted to enter a value. Here, type in 20,000. This means any cell within your selected range that has a value greater than 20,000 will undergo a formatting change. Next, let's set the fill color. In the same conditional formatting panel, there's an option to choose a fill color. Click on the color box and select green. Once you've made your selection, hit Done to apply the rule. Now let's move on to our second rule. Select another set of cells. This time we'll use E3 to E8. Once you've highlighted these cells, click plus add another rule in the conditional formatting panel. Repeat a similar process by choosing a condition for these new cells. Go to the drop-down under Format Rules and select Text is exactly. In the next field, type the word paid. For this rule, we'll choose a different color to visually differentiate it. Click on the Fill color box and select Cyan. Again, press Done to save your changes. Now, let's test these configurations. In cells D3 to D8, try entering numbers greater than 20,000 and you should see them highlighted in green. In cells E3 to E8, type the word paid and watch as they turn cyan. This visual cue can greatly assist in quickly assessing and interpreting your data. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to use conditional formatting to automatically change cell colors based on their values in Google Sheets. This technique will not only make your data more visually appealing, but also easier to analyze. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you master conditional formatting in your spreadsheets.